Good morning. Today we are looking at these plants. These are Ranunculus specifically. If you look, these were freshly transplanted. They were either underwatering or a nutrient burn is what I'm seeing. I'm not positive yet. You see some of it looks like underwatering. This guy, or a pH imbalance. But because it's the tips, you see the burning on the tips. That leads me to believe a nutrient burn or a pH imbalance. Beautiful plants, beautiful plants. Taking the transplant really hard. I'm gonna add some water, see if they perk up a little bit. It is very hard water, so salts do accumulate in the soil after time and build up, changing the pH. See, beautiful flowers.
And this one is the best looking of all of them. It's taken the transplant well.
It's next to two sprinkler heads, which is the only one that is, so that's an argument for underwatering. I'm not sure of this specific species, how well it likes heat, how well, I don't know this specific species at all. But, it's beautiful. Yeah. Like, this is a really good example of possibly pH issues. There's different nutrients that cause different reactions when they are in toxicity or are low. You can find charts pretty good online. Google search will show a lot. Pay attention to this. This is very important for your plants, for your soil, for your water, for you. Beautiful plants though.
These guys, they go through a few different stages where they actually look like 4 different flowers. At times they can look like carnations, which this one definitely does. This guy here.
The younger stage, they kind of look like roses.
Yeah, see that bud? And
that guy kind of looks like a rose.
Yep.
To a carnation.
Yeah.
Or a peony.
The white ones definitely looked like peonies. And then what was the other one? I'm trying to remember now. Carnation, peony, rose. There's one more. It'll come to me.
Yeah.
But look at how pretty. So yeah, so we're certainly trying to get these guys to perk back up. Some of them aren't too bad. Like this one here, it's not too bad, but I don't know, we're just trying to make this a success. I think I remember. Let's see. I'm trying to find one. I thought it was these pink ones. They also look like a poppy at one point because when they open up and you can see the middle part of the plant is actually a dark center. I don't know if you can see it like right there. So in the later stages, they definitely take on that anemone or poppy kind of look. See this guy here? This is one of the roses, and you can almost see just how similar they look. So anyway, guys, this is just a little view, of the garden that we help maintain in Las Vegas. And so that's part of the reason too. You gotta take your specific climate into consideration always. And in the desert, they are suffering with water sometimes, and so that's why you see us watering in the background, because they really need it. See this guy here? You can kind of see that center. And if you are familiar with flowers and with botanicals, you know that that looks very much like the center of an anemone. And then here's your peonies for sure. So many little petals.
And all of these, except for the single rose that we showed, was the Ranunculus. Just different stages.
There you go. Total anemone look. And here's one of my favorites. I just love it. And the two-toned. Alright guys, well, that's what we got for you today. It's a beautiful morning here, so we certainly hope you go out and you enjoy your day. If you like, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Take care, you guys.